Yaakov and Lovon make a treaty. Yaakov Avinu makes a pile of stones together with his sons, and they call it Galed. Lovon calls it Yegar Sahaduso. Yegar means a gal, a mountain, and Sahaduso means Ed. And Rashi explains, Galed is Gal Ed, 2 words. What is bothering Rashi that explains that Galed means Gal Ed? It's very obvious. The Gemara Masechet Megillah, Ches Lamed Beis. What's the halacha if somebody wrote Targum of the Sefer Torah into Lashon HaKodesh, or Lashon HaKodesh into Targum? The Gemara says the Sefer Torah is not kosher because you have to follow the text. You may not switch languages. Vayikro lo Lovon Yegar Sahaduso, if somebody writes Vayikro lo Lovon Galed, it's not kosher because we're not following the text, even though we're not changing the meaning. It is mashma that if you are allowed to change the language and you write and Lovon call it Galed, would be kosher. But there's a very strong kasha over here that Rav Moshe Leib Shachor asks, and also Rav Shlomo Zalman Auerbach's son-in-law, and they say that this is a kushe atzuma that has no teretz. How can you say sheker that Lovon called it Galed? It's not true. Yaakov called it Galed and not Lovon. So how can you say that if not because it's a different language, it would be okay? It's not emes. And this is a very strong kushia. Perhaps I have an answer. Lovon was the biggest shakran. And Yaakov was scared that Lovon is going to put an aleph between the gal and the eid, and should be gal lo eid. So therefore, even though it was 2 words, gal eid, Yaakov said, I want to write it in 1 word. And Lovon says, no, I want it to be 2 words, gal eid. Yegar sahaduso, 2 different words. According to this is pshat in the Gemara. If somebody writes gal eid, separate words, that was the kavon from Lovon. If not, because you're not allowed to change the Lashon HaKodesh to Lashon Targum, it would be kosher. Because the whole machlokes between Lovon and Yaakov, it should be written in 1 word or 2 words.